Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick and clear tutorial, I am going to show you how to print your Google Docs document front and back. Also known as double-sided printing, this is super handy if you are printing a report, an essay, or just trying to save some paper. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure your document is ready. Double check your formatting, margins, and spacing because once you print, it's set in stone. Now go to the top left and click on File, then scroll down and select Print, or you can simply press Ctrl+P. The print preview window will open. Take a moment to check that everything looks good. This window shows you how your document will appear on paper. Now here is the important part. On the right side, look for the option that says More Settings. Click on that to expand the menu. You will see an option called Print on Both Sides, or two-sided printing, depending on your browser and printer setup. Make sure to check that box. If you don't see this option, it might mean your printer doesn't support automatic double-sided printing. But don't worry, you can still do it manually. If that's the case, print only the odd pages first, then take those printed pages, flip them properly, and print the even pages on the back. Just make sure you test it with a few pages first to get the flipping direction right. Once everything is set, click Print and your double-sided document will be on its way. And that's it. Super easy, right? Just remember the option depends on your printer's features, so if it's not there, manual double-sided is your best bet. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more Google Docs and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.